if two lines in a plane intersect at a point, they will form four angles. Intersection of two lines form four angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. We can see that this angle, we can name it as A, O, B, C, D, right? This angle is AOB. Angle AOB and angle DCOCOD have a common vertex. And if you look at their arms are part of a single line. Opposite arms are exactly part of a line. Such angles are called vertically opposite angles. And we will prove today that their measurement is equal. We will prove this. We know this, that vertical opposite angles are equal. First of all, we have to sense what are vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles have a common vertex from where the word has become vertically opposite. Common vertex, and the arms need to be part of two intersecting lines. Now, what I mean to say, I'll give illustration. This is a line AB, and at O there is a ray OC, and I have another ray OD. Now the concept of vertical angle is not applicable. Vertically opposite angles are not applicable to this situation. Reason out, Manveer, why I am saying that we are not having vertical opposite angles here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लर हो गई.
The day we just do this ना. अभी कैसा ठीक है?
थोड़ी सी बेटर होगी.
हाँ, होगी, बेटर होगी और हो जाएगी. ठीक है. अभी ठीक है?
यस सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. मनवीर, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन कर रहा हूं, आप सुन पा रहे हैं? अगर आप
यस सर.
हाँ तो आ जाया कीजिए प्लीज. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि यहाँ पे COB और AOD को हम वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट नहीं कह रहे, जबकि
यस सर.
ऊपर मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोला. यहाँ क्या हो गया? व्हाट इज द रीजन आई एम सेइंग दे आर नॉट वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट? क्या कारण है कि वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट नहीं है? We have to go a little fast. ध्यान देना आपने मनवीर.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
एंगल्स सेम नहीं है.
कैसे बता सकते हो? ऊपर कौन सा वैल्यूज दी हुई थी बेटा? मैंने सुना था ऊपर मैंने क्या बोला? यहाँ मैं लिख रहा हूं दोबारा से. आर्म्स ऑफ द angles are part of two intersecting line. Vertical opposite angles are formed by the intersection of two lines. जब तक दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होता नहीं दिख रहा, वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इज आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सी अभी आंसर बिल्कुल ध्यान से आएगा. अनिका, कैन वी
So
से वी हैव
because
वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट? हाँ जी, प्लीज बोलिए.
so this figure is not vertically opposite. So because COD is not a straight line.
Yes, it is. These are two rays. सबसे पहले वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट लगाने से पहले जिन पे भी लगाएं आप देखें वो लाइन या लाइन सेगमेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं समटाइम, बट दे हैव टू बी लाइन और लाइन सेगमेंट्स इंटरसेक्टिंग, देन वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट कम्स इनटू प्ले. अदरवाइज नो वर्टिकल ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. आई होप I made it clear. AOB is vertically opposite to COD and angle BOC is vertically opposite. See, I'm writing in a sequence. Now this class you have to be very sure. BOC is vertically opposite to DOB. Sorry, DOA. Now I will prove it. And make sure what I'm going to state here, you have to be sure. अभी इस पे ध्यान देना है. जब भी कोई बात कहें, मैंने आपको बोला था आपको प्रूफ देना पड़ेगा उसका. Since it is the concept of straight lines पे एंगल का कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी आपके पास पहले से है? कोई ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी आपके पास जिसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं?
So linear pair.
Yes, perfect. एक ही टूल है अभी. Before we go into geometry, we have only one property, that is linear pair. So I'll use linear pair. And how you have to use it? There's a language. समझना है हमने. We will say OB ray stands on AC. OB ray stands on AC. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180, and you will say linear pair. As I told you, whatever you write, you have to place that in bracket, reason it out. Mark this as a result 1. Statement 1. Similarly, OD ray, sorry, OC ray, next ray, OC ray stands on BD. OC stands on BD. We will say angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Do you remember Euclid said something? If you look at the equation 1 and 2 and what Euclid stated, what can we say for this? Euclid said, if two different things are equal to the same kind of a thing, not in the way he said, simple language, what we can do? We can say from 1 and 2, we have 1 plus 4 is equals to 3 plus 4. This is from the Euclid's axiom. दो चीजें 180 के बराबर है तो वो दो चीजें भी बराबर है. फिर उसने कहा था दो बराबर चीजों में से अगर बराबर चीज निकाल दी जाए तो जो बच गया रिमाइंडर है वो भी बराबर है, और आप फिगर को रेफर कर सकते हैं 1 = 3 आ गया है। और जब आप अपनी बात पूरी कर देते हैं, यू हैव टू राइट hence proved. The thing which we were looking for as a proof, we have proved it now with all proofs from the previous knowledge of geometry. This is how you have to write in geometry, and this is the approach you have to.
मतलब एंगल की फॉर्मेशन तो नहीं होगी।
Good. Okay.
और अगर वो इंटरसेक्टिंग होंगी लाइन तो उसमें एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स, लीनियर पेयर ये सब बन सकते हैं।
Good. Okay. Thank you so much. So, Bhumika, my question was, I'll repeat, you've answered it indirectly. My question was, what will happen if two lines are drawn on this sheet? The two possibilities are these lines. How many of you think are parallel? Anyone who says these two lines are not parallel, or anyone who says these are parallel, please voluntarily let me know. Shranya, what do you think? These two lines are parallel or will intersect?
I think they will intersect because it doesn't seem that the distance between these two lines is same at all points.
Okay, seems to be like good. The seems to is to be very sure that we will be making sure that these are going to intersect, right? तो हम आज यही सीखने जा रहे हैं, दो लाइंस जो दिख रही हैं कि इंटरसेक्ट नहीं हुई हैं, दिखने में नहीं है, पर वो इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी या नहीं करेंगी, हम बिना इंटरसेक्शन ऑन द प्लेन भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं। बट तीसरी कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं, देयर इज ओनली टू पॉसिबिलिटीज, whether they'll be parallel or intersecting, we will decide with the help of geometry. Although they appear to be intersecting or not, as Shranya said, these are going to intersect because the gap doesn't remain same perfectly. But geometry wants the proof. It's a court case, just not saying lagta hai. Seems to is not applicable over here in geometry, but observation was very good. Observation says yes, they will intersect, but we will learn how to deal with these lines which seems to be intersecting or are actually. So to look into these lines, we need to look for one more line which will help us, and we call that line transversal. We have to introduce a line transversal. This is a line which is helping us to correlate the two lines. They might be parallel, they might be intersecting, we don't know, but the help of transversal will let us know. So what is a transversal? A line which in a plane is intersecting other two lines. They might be the lines which are going to intersect or going to be parallel, but the transversal is surely connecting the two lines, in sense intersecting both. So when two lines in a plane and a transversal come into play, I'll make this figure bigger so that you can understand. And intentionally, I will not make parallel lines, right? To make you people understand the concept. Sorry. L, M, N. M and N are two lines and L is a transversal. How many angles are formed? Janya. Listen carefully. corresponding angles are those angles from the upper set of line and the lower set of line whose response is similar. Just look at angle 1. It is lying above the line and right of the transversal. Look at 5. The response of the 5 is also same. Above the line and right of the transversal. Isn't it? What is the corresponding angle to 2? Shiranya?
Sir, 6.
Yes. It is, its response of 2 is similar. Similar, I'm not using the word same. Similar. Above the line, left of the transversal. Someone? Can you just give me
Yes,
the
sir.
corresponding angle of 4?
Sir, 8.
Perfect. So we have a set of angles from here and here related with some terminologies. So we have understood the corresponding angles. Now we will look for the another kind of set of angles, alternate interior. I hope you know the word alternate also and interior also. जिसको alternate का आइडिया नहीं है तो मैं बता दूं, alternate होता है ये नहीं तो वो, ऐसा नहीं तो वैसा. इंटीरियर मतलब अंदर. तो ये दोनों लाइनों के अंदर वाला हिस्सा इसको बोलते हैं. This is the interior one. So we will be talking about only 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay. Alternate का मतलब अगर कुछ ऊपर है तो alternate क्या होता है उसका? नीचे. Right का alternate, left. Do you agree? Okay. So 3 and 5, look at their behavior. 3 is down the line, left of the transversal. 5 is above the line and right of the transversal. Isn't it alternate and in the interior? So we will say 3 and 5 are alternate interior, 4 is to 6 alternate interior. But I am not saying they're equal. I'm just saying they're alternate interior. The behavior is alternate. So there is alternate exterior also. Alternate exterior. What is alternate exterior to 1? After my explanation to alternate interior, I would like Daksh to let me know what is the alternate exterior of 1. मैं बता देता हूं, जो हालात 1 के हैं उससे बिल्कुल उल्टे हालात, ऑल्टरनेट का मतलब होता है टोटली अपोजिट टू दैट. 1 का ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर क्या है दक्ष?
Sir, 8.
Okay. Let's have another option. Sabraj, what do you think? सवराज, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए बेटे. 1 का ऑल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर कौन है?
Sir, 7.
आपके लिए 7 है. तनिष.
Yes, no. Sir, 8.
ईशान.
So 6.
एक्सटीरियर, आप
Oh,
एक्सटीरियर
so
को छोड़ रहे
7.
हैं,
So 7.
आपको 7 लग रहा है, ठीक है. So we have 4 opinions, 2 say 7 and 2 say 8. Let's take the fifth one. पर मैं ये नहीं है कि मैक्सिमम मेजॉरिटी मानूंगा. I'll give the right answer. श्रन्य, आपको क्या लगता है?
Sir, 7.
Yes. Look at the situation. When you are looking for the alternate, look for every okay, again, one above the line and one is on the right of the transverse. So above hai, so it has to be below the line. It has to be below the line and it has to be on the left of the transversal. So below the line and left of the transversal कौन है? Daksh.
So
Right. तो आपको इस तरह से समझना है. अब ये सारा कुछ स्टोरी होने से फायदा क्या है? स्टोरी से फायदा ये है, if, see, now you have to be very practical. I have to show it practical. The first thing I have to show the practical, because there is no proof to it. It is a kind of axiom. So I'm going to use two caps here, or pen I'm going to use of different color. That will be a little big enough. The caps are going to show me the angles, right? Transverse is shown by the blue cap. I don't know whether you are able to make a difference, blue and black. नहीं हो रहा ना?
Sir, हो रहा.
चलो, this is fine. Yellow, pink, whatever, they're different. This is transversal and this is the line. If this angle, this is going to go down, transversal comes down without moving, we can see that black cap is not overlapping n. नीचे निकल गया ना वो. अगर corresponding angle बराबर हो जाते हैं, then the lines are parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel, else they will intersect somewhere. आप ये बात समझ रहे हो? देखिए, ये एंगल बना हुआ है, आई एम जस्ट शिफ्टिंग इट विदाउट एनी मूवमेंट. ट्रांसवर्सल उसी लेवल से नीचे आके रुक गया है वर्टेक्स पे, और पैरेलल लाइन होता तो ब्लैक कैप वुड हैव कवर्ड द लाइन also. So the first statement helps us. If the corresponding angle, any single, एक भी, we have a set of angles here, चार ऊपर चार नीचे, one of the corresponding angle is equal to the corresponding angle of its, then the lines are parallel. फिर ये parallel है, नहीं तो नहीं parallel है. And believe it, converse का मतलब होता है मैथ्स में वापस भी ट्रू होता है. अगर corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. this angle, which is angle AGD, is equal to angle GH and F. So as I told you, whatever you mention here, you have to give the reason, and the reason you will be writing corresponding angles of parallel line. Why I'm saying they are equal? Because they are the corresponding angles of parallel lines. Fine. This is parallel to, this is equals to this. I mentioned this as my first equation. I can also see, looking into the other tool, can you see this is the vertical opposite angle? I'll say AGD is also equal to angle CGH. CGH. Make sure the angle you are picking for the corresponding or alternate, there are two arms of the angle. जब भी कोई एंगल पिक करें उसकी दो आर्म्स होती हैं, एक आर्म होनी चाहिए लाइन की जिन्हें हम पैरेलल मान रहे हैं, और एक आर्म हमेशा ट्रांसवर्सल के ऊपर होनी चाहिए. ये दिस इज समथिंग वेरी की आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो यू हैव टू बी श्योर अबाउट इट. आई विल रिपीट, जो भी एंगल उठाएं जिसमें आपने कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग ऑल्टरनेट ये कॉन्सेप्ट लगाना है, वो एंगल की दो आर्म्स हैं. एक आर्म लाइंस जो पैरेलल आप देख रहे हैं उनमें से एक लाइन की पार्ट होना चाहिए, और एक आर्म ट्रांसवर्सल से होनी चाहिए. राइट? अब हमारे पास दो इक्वेशंस आ गई हैं, लेकिन मैंने इसका रीजन नहीं दिया. आई हैव टू मेंशन द रीजन हियर, एंड द रीजन इज वर्टिकली opposite angles, and this is not the concept of parallel line, it is the concept of intersecting line, right? But it is a tool. So as you can see from first and second equation, यूक्लिड याद कर लेना है, दो अलग चीजें एक के बराबर हैं तो वो दो अलग चीजें भी बराबर हैं. You can see that AGD is equal to this, AGD is equal to this. So you have to write the language from 1 and 2. We have angle CGH is equals to angle GHF. Hence, proved what? Alternate interior angles are equal when lines are parallel, and converse is true. I have mentioned what is converse. Converse means if the alternate angles you can prove some way, then you can say the lines are parallel. Parallel lines है तो you can use the concept कि ये एंगल इक्वल है. अगर ये एंगल इक्वल है तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि ये लाइनें पैरेलल हैं. This is what we are doing. It's